Welcome. In this video, I'll be walking you through the simple steps on how to send a video on the Discord app on your PC with the new update. If you've ever wanted to share a clip with your friends, a funny moment, or an important file, the process is quick and easy once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you have access to your servers and direct messages. Once you're inside, navigate to the chat where you want to send your video. This could be a direct message with a friend or a channel inside a server you're part of. Next, take a look at the chat box at the bottom. To the left of where you usually type your messages, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus symbol. After clicking, a small menu appears with different options. From here, select Upload a File. This option will let you browse the files stored on your computer so you can choose the video you want to share. Once your File Explorer opens up, find the video you'd like to send. You can scroll through your folders until you locate it, then double-click on the video file. This will instantly attach it to your Discord chat. Ready to go. Now, before sending, you'll notice the video sitting above the chat box. If you want, you can add a message or caption along with the video to provide some context. When you're satisfied, click on the Upload button. That's it! Your video will start uploading to the chat. And once the upload is complete, everyone in that chat can view it directly without leaving Discord. With this new update, the process has been refined to be smoother than ever. So now it only takes a few seconds to share your favorite clips. So the next time you want to send a video on Discord from your PC, just remember the steps. Open the app, choose your chat, click the plus icon, select Upload a File, double-click your video, and finally, hit Upload. It's fast, easy, and keeps your conversations more fun and engaging.